Hello everyone, welcome to EnggClasses YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we shall consider simplification of the expression using Boolean algebra. So without wasting much time, let's get into the task of simplification of the given expression. So here the given expression is z is equal to a into b plus ac whole bar plus a b bar c into bracket AB plus C. So this is the given expression. The task is to simplify this using the Boolean algebra. So let's get into the task. So if I look at the first two terms, I cannot take anything common, so I'll just leave them as they are. So if I look at the third term, so here A B bar C into bracket AB plus C. So maybe I can expand these two terms. So let's see what do I get. So let me retain the first two terms as they are, which are a into b plus ac whole bar. So I would retain the first two terms as they are plus the second term. So here a b bar c into a into b. So I would multiply. It is a b bar c into a b plus. So here a b bar C into C. So I would write it as it is. So now let me consider this expression. The first two I did not do anything. So I will retain them as they are. AB plus A bar, A into C whole bar plus. So here if I look at it, I have got A into A, which leads to 1, and I have also got B into B bar, which leads to 0. So I said B into B bar is 0. So let me check how is that possible. B into B bar, I said it is 0. So into means it is and. B here. B can take any two values, which is 0 or 1. So let me consider B as 1 into its complemented version is 0. So 1 into 0 is always 0. So in this way I can write B into B bar as always 0. So the entire term leads to 0. So I would write 0 here plus a b bar c into c. C into c, it is c square in normal algebra, but in Boolean algebra c into c is always 1, because again c can take any two values, either 0 or 1. If I assign 1 to c, 1 into 1, it is always 1. So hence I would get a b bar into c. So this is somewhat reduced expression. So I have got ab plus AC whole bar plus A B bar C. So Z is equal to, this is what I have got. So can I simplify this further? So if I ask the question, so if I look at the terms, the first two terms or any of the terms, can I take anything out? So if I can take anything out, I can simplify this further. So what shall I consider now? So I'll consider the first and the last term. So let me consider this, the first term, which is A into B, and the last term is A B bar into C. So I would consider these two terms, and from this I can take A out. So what I am left with? I am left with B plus B bar into C. So this is what I have got, plus the second term I would write it as it is, which is AC whole bar. So this I would leave it as it is. B plus B bar C, what is this? So making use of absorption rule again. So let me write it here. So making use of the absorption rule. So I can simplify that further. So what the rule says? Rule says x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y, and it has got another format, that is x bar plus x into y, x bar plus x into y, that leads to x bar plus y. So I just have to compare which of the forms this relates to. This A, B plus B bar C relates to x plus x bar y, which is equal to x plus y. In place of x, I have b. In place of y, I have c. So what is the reduced form? So I'm going to get here a into bracket b plus c. So ultimately I'm going to get only this much, b plus c, and I have got ac whole bar. Can I say this is going to be my final answer? Let me check it. I've got a into bracket b plus c. So let's expand the term here. So I'm going to get a into b plus a into c plus AC whole bar. So can I simplify this terms? The answer is yes. So what I can do here, I can consider these two terms. So what I can do here, so that just looks like x plus x bar. So using or x plus x bar, the truth table of or, I can say it is 1. So what I do here is that leads to the first term is as it is. So I would write a into b here plus 1, because using the truth table of or, x plus x bar is always 1. In place of x, I have a into c. So it is ac plus ac whole bar is always 1. So now it is ab plus 1. So again, by making use of truth table of or, 1 plus anything is always 1. So 1 plus x is 1, 1 plus y is 1. Similarly, 1 plus ab is always 1. So ultimately, I would say this is going to be my reduced expression using Boolean algebra. So I have made it, I have kept it as simple as possible. If there are any doubts, please let me know them onto the comment section, and I'm happy to answer those doubts. Thank you so much for watching.